What's up, money friends and the viewers of the tube? Many of you have been asking me how I'm earning so much money with Betfury. We have been doing our, $20 to $1,000 in 45 days. We're on day 5 now, so let's get into it. And I'm going to explain more in detail of all the numbers because I know that some of you are asking me why I do one prediction right here and sometimes do 8. And how the whole Strom dice works. And I showed you that on some other videos, say if I have my bankroll at 1,000, let's just do 68, which I'm at now, how I choose my bet amount and all of that stuff. So 8 and 9 is chances to roll. I can bet this much, which is like very little, like a billionth of a penny, and I would have 227 chances to win with a very high probability. Not only that, but every time I roll, I actually make money. If I keep losing, I still make money down the road. So indicated by this green little thing here, that means I'm in profit all the way down, all 200. But if I put this to 8, at some point I start going negative and I start losing money. So that's why it's important to have your numbers right. Also, I use 1 and 2 because I have a much higher chance of supporting, I guess, my rolls, and I make a lot more money. $31 versus, let's go back, which was 8 and 9. 30 cents. So I do switch between the two, just depending on how I'm feeling. Mostly I've been doing $1 or 1% because I find that it's pretty good return, but do whatever your risk tolerance is. Already we are on day 5, from $28 to $68, and I'm already, what is that? Like 3x, almost 3.5x, because it's only at 70 cents. So we're going to do our roll today. Some of you have been asking me, how do I choose my bid amount? I take my money here at $68 and I divide it by 1,000. So if I have $68 and I divide it by 1,000, it's like 6 cents. 8. So I do minimum. And then this number right here on the bottom, I just keep doing it until I get to 6 cents. That's it's not 6 cents, that's 9 cents. So we go 2, 3, 2, maybe 8 here, 7. We'll stick with that. We'll stick with one number higher. So, it was actually 6, 8. So I can actually go a little bit higher. We'll just do 3 here. 3. So 6 cents. So this will be at 1. This will be at 2. It will increase. And we'll be trying to 50% increase our profits here. So without further ado, let's go on to day 5. Also, they are doing, I'm going to be going over, some of you have been asking me about these NFTs and how I won the 20 something dollars from an NFT. I know that someone won a, what was it, a Moon Ape. So that's also something I'm going to be going over here in a bit. We'll probably go over that tomorrow, but let's go over day 5. So without further ado, let's do this. So, oh, I forgot to turn on this. So down $1, down $3. But if we win, I mean, that's it goes up quite a bit. So we just need to win. So down $10. Now I'm up 22. So that's $30 right there. That one win put me at 50%. So I'm gonna do one more win. I'm gonna let this go down. I should get one more win and I'm gonna quit it. There it is, $100. So I went from 68 to 103 with 2 wins. That took, I don't know, a couple, 50% increase. So there we go. That is day 5, you guys. I just wanted to share that with you. I find that 1 and 2 seems to do pretty well, but yeah, it is what it is. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Remember to like and subscribe. We also have our Discord channel. So if you guys wanted to be a part of our Discord, it is slowly growing. And at some point, I do want to launch some cool things. So if you guys are following along, then know that you are valued and you matter. And I would love to see you in our Discord. So I'll see you guys on the next one.